Hi everyone, thank you for purchasing this course on Udemy. My name is Jonathan, and throughout this course for Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll be your instructor, and so you will need so I want you to pay attention carefully to all my lessons, and I hope you really enjoy throughout this journey, throughout this course. So now before we start, you will need to do this Adobe Premiere Pro. You need to install. So you need to head over to Creative. You need to Google and key in Creative Cloud Desktop. You need to download this app, Creative Cloud Desktop, and then you'll be prompted to sign in, and you see here that you must download this. And once you sign in, right, so you'll be able to get all the apps. This is under an organization. I hope if you have not, you can buy. There are many types of plans. This plan is a business plan. So there are quite a number of apps, and there's an enterprise plan. To check your plan, you can actually go to your account, click on your account. So you have to go here, off to work, and then you'll be able to go to the plans and payment. So you go to plans under Adobe, and then you'll be able to see what your plans is. As mine is Adobe for Enterprise, so yours may be a different plan. So it varies, and then you can also do custom plan and get a total cloud storage. So these are what you get. And then here you'll be able to check your invoices, your billing, and here's your activity devices, so you can see that how many devices you've activated. So if the activity on your phone, it will appear if you activated. So this account can go up to 5 devices if you are using your organization's email. So again, it depends on whether the organization allows you to install on various devices. So you have to talk to your administrator, IT administrator, or your university or your school, whichever your IT administrator is. Now, so first you need to go ahead and install. After this, you need to go ahead and install Premiere Pro as well as Media Encoder. Now, what is Media Encoder? Is that basically Media Encoder is where you will export videos. In the next video, I will explain to you how to import and export. Alright, so I hope you go ahead and install this, and see you in the next video.